to show you how to make this easel for keeping your old drawings and pictures. Let's get started. To make it, first I will show you what all things we need. We need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice cream sticks or color paper rolled like a oval shape and take on paper. First you take 2 ice cream sticks and place them like this. You have to first check are you keeping it the correct length. And after measuring them, take glue. And only put glue here. See. And stick that into the glue. And let that dry. Till we do the other one. You have to do 2 like that. And one more, yeah, but you have, and when it's dry, make it to a triangle shape and take the extra one and keep it here. And when you do that, put glue the 2 sides that which you had measured. And take that and keep it. Then take the smaller one and glue that here and here to make the artist's top board. And leave that to dry till we do the next one. And when you do that which I told you to do it samely like this, but in the middle it will look like this. See? And take on paper and start cutting. And when you cut it, it should be a big rectangle shape, long ones, and you fold that into half. After folding that, put glue here to here. Put a little bit glue and keep this here, and for making it flexible, leave some space and let these all dry. And when it's dried, you'll have like this. And for this, they will be little bit flexible. Then you have to take the back and this flexible part, when we glue it, it will be still flexible. So we'll take our glue and we will put glue here. And we'll stick this on to this. Now when it's wide, you can make it stand. And now you have your own photo frame to keep your drawing and pictures. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to do the liking and subscribe. Bye everyone. I'll come next day with new ideas. Stay safe. Bye bye.